Today we will have a look at the plant pot speaker. This is a Bluetooth speaker and a mode light, and it has built-in songs and that you can control, play songs at the touch of a plant. So let's read here. Plant pot speaker, play songs at the touch of a plant, features touch control, 7 built-in songs and 7 multicolored LED lights. Bluetooth range 10 meters, output 5 watt, input 5 volt, etc, etc, etc. I can control Bluetooth. Got it for $4. It's a new old stock. So today we will test it and see how good it is. Inside we have the pot, micro USB cable, and instruction sheet. I'll show you here how drain and tactile something. It's not English, this is French. Italian. Anyways, I will scan this probably and it will be at the end of the video. So this is the speaker or the pots. Here, as you can see, there's a metal rod which touches the ground and touching the soil and touching the plants. So that's how the plants become, the control itself become touch. A small hole here, which is the drain, very close to the speaker. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. Here we have the charging port, micro USB, power button, and menu, and play and light. Okay, so the light is on, but you cannot see it because it's too bright here. And the speaker, it's on right now. And you can see if you touch the rod, it will play a tone. So this is one song. How to change the other one?
Enter to Bluetooth.
Okay, it's in a Bluetooth mode now. Let me turn the light off.
Enter to Bluetooth.
Let's connect. No, let's first.
Power off.
This is the light without the speaker. Let's put some soil and a plant so it will be, you can test it properly. Okay, I added this succulent plant and just turn it on. so I started playing by itself. If you touch the soil, also works. The further the end, it doesn't register. The guy playing by itself, I'm not sure what's going on. I don't know if there is a static electricity or something. Let's test the Bluetooth.
Enter to Bluetooth.
Okay, here show me PLT PSPK. I think that stands for plant pot speaker. So we'll try this.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, connected. Let's play some YouTube. Sounds better if you lower the volume. It's just a gimmick. It's not really great. So I guess that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
Power off.
Okay, I removed the soil and the plant because I'm not gonna use it as a pot. Especially this rod, it will rust 100%. If you cover it with soil and water, this will rust. So it's not made for long term. It's just a gimmick. Now you can have a look at the user manual if you are interested.